because it's so dry. In fact, there are some little cracks in it. Having said that, if he gets it right with a new ball, there'll be plenty of carry through to the keeper, and life will be very tough for the opening batsman to press them. That is massive!
He picked that up beautifully. That was 6 all the way.
Be happy about that.
Really given that a whack. 6 runs.
Exciting player. There's risk in that stroke, but it is maximum.
That was sheer power.
Such a difficult stroke. What an excellent hooker of the ball he is. Never mind the fielder, the bloke in row 10's got the best chance of catching that.